Hello friends, time for some Indian clubs. What we're going to do is a twist and cast. So we're going to do it as a double. So it's going to look like this. You twist and cast, twist and cast. So that's your basic level one twist and cast. What I like to say is think of that you are a fisherman, and what you're doing is this big heavy net you're casting out. Casting out. Then you want to go all the way around and really cast it. One direction. Casting out. Then we're going to reverse direction and cast out. Every time, feeling that heavy net being cast out. And complete. Now we're going to do an alternating cast. So we come up as 2, come down 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So let one come down and then the second. So the second hand hang fire for just a second. Then we're going to change direction. One of the things you want to keep in mind is to get that rotation so you're going to the side, not out at a diagonal. And then take a look at these from the side. So when we're doing our doubles, make sure you watch out for your knees. And when we're doing our alternating, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You get the idea. So, what do? Make it fun. Stay strong and live free.